Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how to manage hold stock in Marg software. Firstly, let us understand what is hold stock. For example, you purchase stock in a new batch and you want to sell the stock from the old batch first and then from the new batch. So what we can do is we can keep the new batch stock on hold. So while billing, we won't be able to sell any stock from that new batch. Let's take another example. For example, there is a product whose MRP is 20 rupees and later on you purchase a new batch whose cost price or MRP increases to 25 rupees. So in that case, you would want to sell out your new stock first whose MRP is higher. So in this case, your old batch will be kept on hold so that the new MRP rate or your new batch is sold first. So now let's see how can we implement it in Marg software. Here we have an items design. Press F4 to view batch details. And here you see we have one batch of this item whose MRP is 20 rupees and purchase rate is 10. We'll purchase this item in a new batch. We'll define the batch number as 002. You can mention the expiry if required. Then define the quantity. And suppose now the purchase rate has increased to 15. So we'll define your 15. Now we'll save this bill. Now when we will go on item master and view batch details, then you will see that two batches of the same product is created. Now we want to hold this old batch. So for that we will go on transaction, purchase and enter on modify bill and go on the bill number which you want to hold and press the F6 function key. Then the detail window will appear. Here you have an option hold bill. You will simply press enter on hold bill and here your bill is now on hold, which is indicated in red color. Now we will go on sale bill and select this items design. Then here the software shows that this batch is on hold, which is indicated in gray color. Even if we try to sell it, the software won't allow us to. Here you see saleable stock 0 pieces, hold stock 150 pieces. Whereas you can sell the items from the other batch, which is not on hold. So friends, in this way you learned how to keep a bill on hold. Along with this, you can also keep the whole batch on hold at the time of billing. Like you go on an item, press the F4 function key, enter on batch detail and select the batch you want to hold and press the F3 function key. And here you will see hold. If you set this to yes, then this batch will be on hold. Now let's see how to unhold your stock. You'll go on transaction menu, purchase, modify. Select the bill you have kept on hold and again press the F6 function key to unhold it. And select either unhold all batches, means if in a single bill there are multiple batches, so you can unhold all batches or unhold it according to bill quantity. So in this way you see all the batches from this bill is unholded. After that you will be able to sell that stock since it is unhold. So you can continue your billing. So friends, in this way you learned how to hold and unhold your stock in Marg software. Thanks for watching.